Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be doing a quick mini tutorial on the new Surgeon and Luminess Cosmetics palette, the Lion King, and a quick little review on the palette itself. So if you would like to see how I complete this look, then keep on watching, but also don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit that link down below, and turn on the notifications as well. So let's get into this palette. So as you can see, I tried to use pretty much a lot of the colors. So I used these two here, which is Zoo and the Meadows. I also use Wisdom and African Clay, which is these two as transition shades. So overall, the palette, it's a very beautiful package. It has very beautiful packaging. Quality is very nice. You have a mirror inside. I like the or rose gold type of feel. Feels like an expensive palette. It does retail for, I believe, $58 or $54, somewhere around there. Actually, or it might be like $48. Don't quote me on that. But it is a nice palette. You have your colors up here. You have a lot of neutral tones that you can create a lot of natural eye looks. You can add a pop of color. Me, I just went all the way and I want to really test out the colors. They are pigmented. It's like a hit or miss. After you start blending, it kind of washes away some of the colors, so you kind of have to go back in. I added a little bit of Fix Plus just to try to build back up the color, but it does have a lot of pigment when you first apply it, and the transition shades are very nice. So nothing really bad to say about the palette. I think it's a nice palette to have if you don't have any neutral shades or any blues. And you know, it's a collector's item. It's the Lion King, so why not? So yeah, that is my quick review on this look. So I hope you guys enjoy my video. Be sure to follow me on Instagram at Shauna326 and at SLRbeauty_. Be sure to take a look at my website, slrbeauty.com. You can find these lashes. These lashes are so extra. All of my lashes are on sale right now on my website. Alright, so let's get into this makeup look. Right now I'm just using the Tatcha Silk Canvas Primer, and then I'm going in with the Juno & Co. Beauty Blender, and I'm using JUVIAS Place in this video, shade Kampala, and then as you can see I'm also using the concealer. The setting powder that I used was AC Cosmetics, and now I'm using the Patrick Star Blush and Can't Wait to Be Queen palette, going in with that lighter shade just to put on my brow bone. And then I'm going in with the more copper tone in my crease and blending that peachier tone as well. Next, I'm using that green with a 242 brush by MAC Cosmetics, and then the blue with the same brush. I did have to go over this again and wet my brush a little bit with the Fix Plus, but no big deal. And then as you can see, I'm using SLR Beauty lashes and So Extra, and I'm setting everything with Fix Plus. And my highlighter is a Hyper Real by MAC Cosmetics. Then I'm using a Nicki Minaj lipstick along with BFF4 by ColourPop. And that completes the look.